Why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and to make any sense we took an oath to office. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore.
We got an absolute heater today with a twist. The sovereign citizen genius decided to record the entire courtroom showdown from his own point of view. Yep, he really thought that was going to help his case. Spoiler alert, absolutely doesn't disguise a full-on nutcase rambling like laws don't apply to him just because he says. So let me know in the comments how many brain cells you think he's working with, because if I'm being generous, I'd give him 2 max. It's honestly impressive how loud and wrong someone could be at the same time. All right, let's dive in and watch this clown get absolutely roasted by the judge.
Good afternoon. Oh, right here? I'm the administrator for that matter. I said I'm the administrator for that matter.
Mr. you're charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you understand that charge?
Your Honor, you'll never stand over me. So when you say I understand, please elaborate.
Do you understand the charge of trespassing in the 3rd degree?
No man will ever stand over me, sir. So please say it again. I'm sorry.
I'm not doing that again.
Okay.
You are charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you plead on that charge?
Before I plead, I need to know that I was told that you're a man of God, and I was told that you took an oath of office. Did you take an oath of office?
I am not answering questions. This is an arraignment.
You're not going to answer. You're supposed to be the judge, correct? You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not.
Have you removed from the courtroom? You can plead on this charge, and what we will do is then set your, if you plead guilty, and we'll go one course. If you plead not guilty, then I'll set your case down for the trial.
You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath to office. You're a judge to this county of Mount Brook. Why can't you tell me if you took an oth of office? It would proceed to say that you did take an oath of office. You're going to remove me, so you're just going to make me leave. You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not. I'm being removed? Why am I being removed for? I didn't enter a plea. I didn't say anything, sir. I'm going. Why can't you tell me if he's going to take an oath of office? Did you take an oath of office?
It's time to go.
Okay. Hold on. What trial? I didn't take. I didn't take a plea. What are you talking about? How can you make it?
Your verbiage is not helping, and I think your verbiage is a plea of not guilty unless you want to plead guilty.
I said, did you take an oath of office? And you won't respond to me. Why won't you respond to me, sir? Did you not take an oath? Did you not take an oath to defend God, this country, and the children around the world? Really? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court, and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. What's this country coming to is what I don't understand. Well, I'm not taking no paper from you. I mean, this country, you did take an oath to office, did you? You did take an oath of office. Huh? You did take an oath of office. Well, I mean, you didn't take an oath of office.
Let's go,
huh?
Mr. Keys, let's go.
Where are we going?
We've got you're being escorted out. We've got a lot of other cases.
I swear the only reason the sovereign citizen is losing his mind right now is because the judge finally stopped humoring his nonsense. His little magic word script completely collapsed, and it's happening live for all of us to enjoy. Dude really thought he was going to walk and drop some made-up laws and walk out like he just beat the final boss of the legal system. He came to speedrun court and ended up rage quitting instead. And can we please talk about this man's outfit bro showed up looking like? He was about to live stream from a UFO convention GoPro strapped to his head, like he's filming a how to get roasted by a judge vlog. I seriously don't even know how security let him in dress like that. Honestly, this might be the most unintentionally hilarious court outfit we've seen in a while. The judge is trying to keep it together. But you know he's thinking, did this man really wear a costume to a felony hearing? Drop your ratings in the comment from 1 to 10. How ridiculous is this guy's courtroom strategy right now?
The people around the world, seriously, I cannot believe this. In America right now, we got people, the judge he won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. This man won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. Y'all going into somebody that won't even say he defends the country, that he defends the United States of America, that doesn't care about the kids. This is crazy. And none of y'all people, none of you care about it. Why am I the only one that cares? Why am I the only one that cares about this? Huh? Nobody cares about this. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing in here? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
What did they tell you? I do care about our kids. My daughter is a Birmingham police officer. So.
Did he take an oath of office? Because the policeman wouldn't even tell me he took an oath of office. The judge wouldn't even tell me. He wouldn't even tell me. He would not tell me. I asked him, did he take an oath of office? You know what he said? I don't have to answer that. He told me he didn't have to answer that. He didn't have to answer that. Now, thank you. There's one person that agrees with me. Oh, so thank you. So y'all all agree with me. This judge you're going to see right now will not say if he took an oath of office. I cannot believe this. In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy. I cannot believe I did not enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. I did not do anything because he wouldn't tell me if I took it. He wouldn't take any of my documents. I've got all these affidavits right here. And he calm down, Christopher. I'll be back later.
Cool, he'll be back in jail. That is the next time he even breathes near that courtroom. This dude really acted like he was starring his own courtroom action movie, completely forgetting he's just a side character who gets locked up before the intro credits finish. And can we talk about his neck for a second? Every time he starts yelling, it looks like it's about to explode from sheer sovereign citizen rage. I swear I saw a vein try and file his own. Motion for freedom, and the way he's screaming. You'd think the judge just jacked his lunch money or canceled his GoPro subscription props to the judge, though cool calm. Collected, you can tell he was probably asking himself, how did I end up babysitting a grown man with a head cam? Let me know what you guys thought about that circus of a hearing now. Buckle up. Because the next one we're diving into, it's about to get real
The
heat.
judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in acts.
All right, I'm gonna mute your microphone. I don't wanna hear this crazy.
As you guys just saw from those highlights, the sovereign citizen is an absolute nut job, but the judge handles him like a pro here. Drop your thoughts in the comments below of what you guys think about it. Let's go ahead and dive in here and watch this judge completely humiliate this guy.
Mr. Morrow Bay, are you there?
Yes, I am.
All right, this is file 21213ST. It's entitled People versus Samuel R. Perdue, who refers to himself as Samir Siraj Morrow Bay. His mother named him Samuel R. Perdue. Mr. Perdue, you got another ticket for driving with a suspended license. Second offense, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You're also charged with speeding. I'm assuming you're going to plead not guilty to both of those?
No, of course not. I'm innocent, and my name is not Mr. Perdue, so I would appreciate if you didn't call me Mr. Perdue.
I'm gonna piss off the judge for you.
All right.
Well,
Mr. Morrow, okay, let me tell you this. Stop. Yeah, you're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of
No,
the
you
state.
don't respect the law, sir.
Stop. If you drive again here in St. Joe County, I'm going to set
Right
your
to
bike
travel.
at $10,000.
And also,
I'm going to
lie
set this.
to you. You see this? Are you looking? I was forced to get this license. I don't want it, but as you can see, your officer is a liar.
Well, what's the name on that? Is that Samuel Perdue or Mr. Morrow Bay?
Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion.
So you have-
every time I travel, clearly,
All right, you
one
have
of your commercial mercenaries keep pulling me over.
you have a driver's license?
Because your commercial mercenaries continue to pull me over, and they won't leave me alone.
Well, stop driving. At least stay out
I
of
don't
St.
drive.
Joe
I
County.
travel.
All right, traveling is one thing, driving is another. You can travel all you want.
All right, but let me make this
That's
clear.
what I'm doing.
You guys just saw from those highlights this sovereign citizen is completely off the rails, but the judge, absolute pro cool, composed, and not buy into a single bit of that nonsense. It's like watching a toddler try to argue with a college professor. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Was this one of the wildest courtroom meltdowns you've seen? All right, let's jump in and watch this judge completely humiliate this guy in real time. You don't want to miss this.
Well, one of us is.
He's definitely violating the law. And anybody who needs to know anything about the law,
slow
we can talk
down.
about it.
Slow down for a minute. That license you held up, is it a valid Michigan driver's license?
Is it a valid Michigan driver's license? Well, I was forced to go to your Secretary of State because you guys won't let me travel on my own land. That's as valid as it is. What's really valid is my nationality that you keep denying. So you're denying me due process, and you know it.
Well, you haven't been convicted of anything yet. I'm just telling you, if you continue to keep driving on some cockamamie
I don't
thing,
drive.
you're behind the wheel of a car. Give me this BS about traveling versus driving. I'm just telling you right now, you heard it here. If you drive again in St. Joseph County and you get another ticket, I'm going to set a very high bond. You can sit in jail for 28 days until we sort this out. You're presumed to be innocent of the charges that you're charged with, and you've exercised your constitutional right to plead not guilty.
No, I
I'm
didn't
gonna
plead not guilty. You said
plead
that. I said
innocent.
I'm innocent.
All right, fair enough. We'll set this for a last pretrial. Are you still at 312 North Sage Street, apartment 302?
North America is my domicile. You can send whatever information you want to that address. That is fine.
All right.
Very smart.
So any judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in acts.
All right, I'm going to mute your microphone. I don't want to hear this crazy, nonsensical thing. I'm setting you for a last pretrial. We'll pick a date and I'll send it to you in the mail. I don't expect it'll settle the case. We already have one case set for a jury trial. We'll probably set both of these for a jury trial. I will give you credit. You always log in a timely manner, which I appreciate. I'll give you a new notice. It'll be on a Thursday afternoon. We're going to skip the regular pretrial and just go right to the last pretrial. I expect it to be set for a jury trial. All I'm telling you is stop driving and stop in St. Joseph County. All right.
Well, it's time we stop playing nice with these sovereign citizens a moment. They start spouting off their made-up legal nonsense. Just boot them out, like, seriously. If you don't believe in laws, fine, go yell about your freedom to travel to a tree. In the woods, courtrooms aren't open mic night for conspiracy theories. They waste time, disrespect the system, and then act shocked when they face real consequences. The audacity is unreal, especially with this guy. He's talking over the judge like he owns the place. Totally unprofessional, but shout out to the judge here. He's not having any of it. Straight face, no tolerance, and not letting the dumb stuff slide, even for a second. You can see it on his face. You're not special. You're just loud and wrong. Let me know what you guys think. Was the judge handling it the right way? Let's